You want to capture the perfect video? First, bring your camera case to location. Lay out all your camera gears. Now, hope you didn't forget to charge the multiple batteries to your camera setup. Install the camera to the gimbal, balance the gimbal, turn on the gimbal, turn on the camera. Now figure out how to connect the lights and monitor. We built a better way. Too smooth. With the interchangeable lens system, users can quickly go from fisheye lenses of action cameras to close-up lenses of DSLR cameras, eliminating the need to bring multiple cameras. While most cameras lack lighting options, with VitalCam, users can still look great in dimly lit places with its beauty and spotlight. Are you a selfie fanatic? With the ability to change lens angle along with selfie touchscreens and also an app for preview and control the aim of the camera up to 100 feet away, selfies are no longer bound by the length of your arms, nor need to take turns to take group photos. If you're into sports, VitalCam captures your fast and exciting moments in stable and cinematic videos that you will be proud to share with your friends and family. Many of today's memorable videos are captured with complex camera setups that require teams of specialists to operate. With VitalCam, a selfie stick is all you need to mimic many of the blockbuster camera movements. For the perfectionist users, a 4th-axis suspension arm will further reduce the vertical motions that 3-axis gimbal cannot compensate, produce true flying motions comparable to drones and Steadicams. Furthermore, users can switch off the gimbal and use IdleCam as a regular camera. It also features a connector for drones and remote control and a mic input for high-quality audio. Finally, time-lapse no longer requires the purchase of a motorized head. Hyperlapse not needing a tripod, all made possible due to the amazing stability of IdleCam. So whether you're a professional looking for the perfect on-the-go solution, or a beginner needing a device to capture your vacation and daily life in movie fashion, IdleCam is the next level up video camera that captures all your moments perfectly every time. IdleCam is being tested in the field right now. We need your help to ramp up productions. Support our campaign today, and you'll be the first to receive IdleCam. We have got exclusive rewards for early backers and some awesome stretch goal rewards. Every shot in this video is captured with IdleCam. We are excited with the quality that we've been getting. Can't wait to see all the amazing videos that you'll be capturing.
What if you had your own cameraman to record every memorable moment? Meet Obsbot Tail, the smart robotic cameraman and director. Obsbot Tail is the world's first auto-director AI camera powered by an AI chip that can process up to an astonishing 5 trillion flops. It enables you to be your own actor, director, and cameraman all at the same time. Obsbot Tail. Be your own director.
Besides a good camera, you need 3 things to make a great video. 1. A non-shaky platform for smooth video. 2. a good microphone to capture pristine audio. And 3, a high-powered light source so that your subject always looks well lit in all lighting situations. At SmoothView, we think everyone already has a great camera, and it's always connected to the internet. It's your phone, and your phone now can take incredible video. What we did is create the perfect accessory package so that you can start using your phone to tell your story, to share your vision, or to create your groundbreaking film. I'm Andy Peacock, the product manager for SmoothView, and I've shot over 25 major motion pictures, TV shows, and pilots. I know how hard this industry can be on gear, so it is my responsibility to make sure that everything in this kit is high quality, durable, and will last a very, very long time. We have one of the best stabilizers, so your phone can produce unbelievably silky smooth videos. It's lightweight and comfortable and can easily be used by anyone. For lighting, we have a rechargeable, lightweight, extremely bright LED light that connects to the top of your gimbal, so your videos will always have enough light to look great. Good video is 50% good audio, so we've included an extremely sensitive microphone and clip so that even with one hand you can capture the best audio possible. To make this a complete video production studio in a box, the app has a bunch of great features. One of which is a face tracking feature so you can make great videos even when you're alone.
Come on inside.
We subscribe to the saying, I'd rather be looking at it than looking for it. That's why everything you see packs nicely into this convenient carrying case. Just grab it and go, knowing that you have everything you need to start filming. This kit is great for anybody that makes videos with their phones. Facebook Live, Snapchat, interviews, website videos, trade show videos, real estate videos. There's really nothing it can't do. Please back this project so we can get this kit into the hands of some great creators. And we're super excited to see what they can do with it. Every single piece of footage you saw in this video was shot on a phone and with a SmoothView stabilizer.
Cibrillo is the next generation of GoPro accessories. It is the most versatile smart accessory ever made and includes cinematography's finest functions along with stabilization. Cibrillo's wide range of functions gives you the best experience of action video making. This is the accessory you need for recording insane tricks, trips, and family events. The sensors and high-precision motors stabilize the camera. No more shaky, unenjoyable videos. Just the passion of doing sports and recording videos. Control the Cibrillo with our smartphone application. Choose the camera angle that best fits your needs or switch between camera modes. Put your phone into any VR headset and control the camera with your head. Record what you see and share it. You can plan the camera movements before action without any coding skills. Ever wonder how pros create those breathtaking time-lapse videos?
Bye.